boys and girls, and welcome to Learn Guitar. We have YAEOW here. Perhaps first time here. I listened to him before. I'm not sure if I covered him on modern guitar, but anyway, this song is called Just for the Night. Beautiful song, and I believe that he's a great artist. He deserves more attention, so that's why I bring him up here on Learn Guitar. Let's take a look at this song, Just for the Night. So we're going clean here and we only have 3 chords, so no need for capo, 3 chords only, starting with C. So that is 3rd on A, 2nd on D, open G, 1st B, and open E. Next chord is D. That is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. And the final chord will be E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. Alright, so it's that chord progression through the entire song. We'll look at this strumming pattern. So starting with C, one round will be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. It's a pretty long one, so it sounds like this first. So we can take this in 2 different parts and then put it together. So the first part could be down, down, up, up, down. So it's 2 downs with a short pauses or breaks in between there, and then comes the up, up, down pretty fast. So down, down, up, up, down. And then the final part here will be down, down, up. So like that. So if you put that together, so it will be down, down, up, up, down, 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 up. A couple rounds of it sounds like this. So we have the chord progression: C, 1 string round, D, 1 string round, and E minor, 2 rounds. And that goes through the entire song. A couple of rounds of this chord progression sounds like this. Alright guys, so there we have it, Just for the Night, looking up YAEOW, great artist, and till next time guys, play tuned.